Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the live video monitoring settings for the Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni. This product's linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Looking at our T50 from within the Ecovacs app, we will select the enter option to enter in, and in the top right-hand corner, there's a little video camera icon. You're going to select that. And it's going to take us to this screen where we can enter a password or skip if you don't want to do that. So we're going to skip that. But you can put it behind a password for your safety and protection. And then it's going to take us into the live video view. So there it is in real time. You can see everything right here. And we have a lot of settings to go over. So everything's generated from your home environment. So we can tap on that map in the top left-hand side. And we can edit the different points if we want to redo that. Basically, these points are where the vacuum can go on its own and give you a live view, which is really cool. So we'll check that out in a second. Top right-hand corner, we have the X to exit out. We also have a little light icon. That's going to be your reminder. So do you want a voice reminder, light reminder? You can enable or disable those right there. So it'll prompt you. However you want to handle that for your protection again, so you're alert that it is, being accessed at any given time. Bottom left-hand corner, we have our controls. We can use our phone to drive this. And then on the right-hand side, we have 5 different icons. The first one's going to be camera. So we can view our gallery, or we can take a photo or video. There's the video recording right now. It's going to be like 30 or 60 seconds max, I can tell. And then we can view the gallery of everything there. Then we have our arrival on command as well as patrol and voice call and return to station. So we'll go look at those now. The video is saving. Arrival on command. Tap anywhere in the map to select an existing location if you want to. Right? You can do all that right there, and that's where it's going to go. So basically, pick a spot, and it will go to that particular spot for you. Or you can do patrol, and it's going to progress and go through everywhere. That's all of the spots on our map, which is why you'd want to adjust those and get them where you want them. And then voice call, you can listen into two-way audio. You can talk to your intruder. You can talk to the burglar. You can talk to your pet, your cat, whatever. When you're out of the house, you can activate that right there. So let's go ahead for fun. Let's do a home patrol. Boom. There we go. It's going to go out. We have a couple different points saved on the map. One's going to be straight ahead in the kitchen. The other one's going to be in another room with the video light on. And then the last one's going to be in a bathroom with no light on, just to show you some different lighting environments for the home patrol. Really, really cool. So we're making our way to either the bathroom or our room with the video light on. I want you to see the range of the camera, and it's doing a really good job in that harsh lighting environment. Look at that. Super clutch. It's going to go to that spot and rotate around, give you that full 360. It's moving on. Okay, we'll activate this for a second. We can activate our camera. We can record a video. So there's the kitchen with just natural window light. That's all that we're going to get from there. But look at the quality. It looks really good. So saving that video. It's going to make it to that patrol spot. Rotate full 360 so we can see everything. Moving along. It's really cool. Now I've got that really bright light. See how it compensates. Fantastic. When it's done patrolling, it's going to go back home. So in summary, photo, video capture, we can view the gallery, two-way audio, we can set our patrol and get our map ready. It can automatically go to those points, or we can just basically drop a pin and go to one spot at any given time, or you can drive it yourself. So it's super capable. Take another video really quick here as it makes its final approach. But the live video monitoring feature is very helpful. It makes it not only just your vacuum and mop, now it's a home patrolling or home security device. So when you're out of the house, vacation, you're at work, whatever it may be, you want to check in. Maybe you're in another room in your bed and it's night and you heard a noise and you want to dispatch this to go out. You can do all that with this. So very effective and very a cool feature that we get with our Ecovacs Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni. Thanks for watching.